This is TechCrunch. On Monday, Meta released Muse Glimmer, an open-weight model designed to power AI agents locally on consumer hardware, providing the clearest picture yet of what CEO Mark Zuckerberg's vision of personal superintelligence could look like in practice. The 30 billion parameter model is essentially an open version of Meta's most powerful closed model, Muse Spark, which the company debuted back in April. Glimmer's weights are available under the permissive Apache 2.0 license, so developers can download them and modify as necessary. Glimmer is designed to run AI agents that can perform multi-step tasks like call tools, write and debug code, work with files and screenshots, and execute on a task over an extended workflow, locally on a Mac or PC with a single consumer GPU. It supports text and images, and was trained across more than 100 languages. Meta imagines Glimmer being used for things like managing schedules, drafting messages, and organizing files, tasks that would require larger amounts of access to personal data. By processing the information on a user's device instead of sending it to the cloud, Meta is laying the groundwork for a more privacy-sensitive personal agent. Glimmer is also designed to be always on and able to operate anywhere, anytime with or without an internet connection. That vision mirrors the future Mark Zuckerberg has previously laid out for Meta. Last year, he argued that advanced AI should empower individuals rather than stay concentrated in the hands of a few companies, while also warning that Meta would have to be careful about which of its increasingly powerful models it released openly due to safety concerns. In a newsletter on Monday, Zuckerberg reiterated that vision, arguing that distributing superintelligence widely has the potential to begin a new era of personal empowerment, where individuals can use this powerful new capability to reach their full potential, pursue their interests, and improve their lives and the world more than ever before. Zuckerberg went on to list the ways Meta's superintelligence can improve a person's life, from providing a capable personal agent that will work 24/7 on your behalf to improve your relationships, health, career, finances, home management, hobbies, and more, to giving people access to tools needed to create a new business or advance scientific progress. The biggest promise of all that is everyone will have free or affordable access to these tools. But access isn't the same as ownership. Zuckerberg's promise to distribute superintelligence widely comes as Meta is increasingly distinguishing between models it will release openly and those it will keep under its control. Muse Spark, its most powerful mode, remains closed-weight, while the smaller Glimmer can be downloaded, fine-tuned, and run on a user's hardware. As a result, Glimmer offers an early indication of where Meta may draw the line between the AI it wants people to own themselves and the more powerful intelligence that remains under the company's control. Programming with Claude Code will soon require even less human oversight, as Anthropic says it's making auto mode the default for Pro, Max, and Team accounts starting on Friday. The company first unveiled a test version of auto mode back in March, pitching it as a way to balance speed and control. As Anthropic explained in its announcement last Friday, when Claude Code is in auto mode, instead of presenting prompts asking for human approval at each step, it will proceed unless an action is determined to be irreversible, destructive, or aimed outside your environment. Anthropic also said that in testing, auto mode proved safer than manual review. In a study with 1,053 paid testers, auto mode caught 89% of harmful actions, while human review only caught 13.6%. Perhaps that's because manual review can become habitual. Users approved 97% of permission prompts in Claude Code. In a post on X, Claude Code head Boris Cherney said, "The team and I use auto mode exclusively and have been for many months. I couldn't imagine going back to permission prompts." The company also said it's been adding new safety features like prompt injection screening and customizable hard deny rules to prevent things like data exfiltration. That's all for now. For the latest in AI and more tech news, go to TechCrunch.com.